This video is all about helping you to understand the seller's marketplace, seller marketplace, and how you can buy courses on seller. Hi everyone, this is Oladiti Dayo, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon so that you know when I release new videos. Okay, so let's get into the business of today. Okay, so Seller is a payment gateway for digital course creators. Okay, so they provide a kind of landing page and payment solutions to digital course creators. And actually, it was not like a market, okay, just like ClickBank and the rest. Because on ClickBank, you can also upload your courses and you'll be able to sell to people. But the idea of Seller is making it easier for digital course creators to be able to sell their courses. So it was only maybe last year that they introduced the affiliate section where they bring all the courses into the affiliate seller marketplace. Okay, so if you are looking for a course to buy, maybe you want to learn a particular skill. For you to be able to buy the course, you must have the store link of the course creator. You either look for the store link or you get the link to the affiliate product itself. Okay. So, and how do you get that? You can maybe you come across the product on social media and the person that is promoting the product put the link there. You can click on the link and it will take you to the course creators store or the uh, product sales page. Okay, but if you want to start, if you don't really know uh, any store that is selling the product that you want to buy, you want to start from the affiliate from the seller marketplace. Okay, so the link to seller marketplace is affiliate.seller.co/explore, affiliate.seller.co/explore. So that is the link to the seller marketplace, and the seller marketplace is what you are seeing right on my screen. Okay, so if you click on explore marketplace, so you will see that you say discover amazing products from creators in Africa. Okay, so you can see some of the products. This is a product, this is a featured product, this cash out affiliate formula, this is another product, this is another product. Okay, these are hot products. How to grow a social media audience that makes money. I've found out that there are so many amazing products that people are not getting to find out on this seller. Okay, I don't know, for a certain reason you will see product, a very good product, but it's not making any sale because people are not getting the link or people are not getting to know about the product. You see, there are so many products, different categories. Okay, that is this seller marketplace. So if you want to search for a product, you just enter your keyword into the search bar. Let me if I'm searching for the tire I know YouTube course, for example, tire I know YouTube course, type it in and click search. So easy. So if I want to buy from this tire I know now, I have to go to the store. I can either say get a link directly to the product, or I say I just click on the name like this. Okay, and say view details. Let me see, view details. I want to view the details. Okay, so if I can either get a link, if I copy any of this link, it will take me to the product. Okay, One is for the sales page, and the other one is for the the cart page directly. So let's say the cart get link. Let's say get link. No, this affiliate link. I just want to get the link directly. Let's say get link. Okay. So this is the link to the product now. So if you copy any of this link, you'll be able to buy the product. Okay. So anyway, if you are just starting your YouTube channel and you need a thorough and detailed and comprehensive training on how you can grow a YouTube channel from scratch, okay? How you can start, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. I will leave a link to the Tayo Aina YouTube course academy in the description to this video. You can click on the link and follow the way I'm going to show you on how you can buy a course on Seller. Okay, so once you have the link, let's say you copy this down one. Here is your affiliate link to the product. This is the link to the product. So you copy the link and you paste in your browser. So now the link I got from the previous page, I paste on my browser, and it has taken me to this product page. Okay, so if I want to see the store of this creator, I'll just click on the creator's name. Let's click on the creator's name. Okay, you see, this is the store of this creator. He has just one product, only one product that he has on the store. So let me go back to the cart page. So this is the cart page. So if you want to buy a product on Seller, once you land on the cart page like this, let me click it. Okay, so once you land on the cart page like this, the first thing you are going to do is, if you want to read through the product to understand more about the product, you can read through. Okay, so you want to click on the buy now button. You click on the buy now button if once you are ready to buy this. It's showing you how to buy the course now, and or any course for that matter. Once you have the link to the course, you'll be able to buy the course. Okay, so I have the link in the description to this video, so that if you are interested in learning how to build successful YouTube channel, YouTube business, you just click on the link and follow as I'm going to show you now. And it will work for any course, or any course at all. If you want to follow the marketplace, so I've given you the link to the marketplace. So you just type the link into your browser, and you'll be able to search for any type of course that you want to buy, and you buy directly. Okay, so once you are ready to buy, just click on buy now button, and it will open the checkout for you. You see the number of products you are buying is only one, so you click on checkout. So now I've already registered on Seller. That's why it is populating my information. If you have not registered, you have to put your name and email for you to be able to buy the product. But me, I've already registered. That's why you are seeing my name and my email. So make sure you put the correct email, because whatever email you put is where the link to the product you are going to download will be sent, and your receipt also will be sent to your email. So make sure you put your correct email. Okay, it's very important. So now to buy the product, just click on pay now. You see, so you will now be able to pay either using your card. If you have ATM cards from any bank, you'll be able to put the long numbers in front of the card, put it here, put the expiry date, and flip the card over to at the back of the card. You will see three numbers, CVV number. You just put them and click on pay now. You have bank option. If you want to, I don't normally advise people to use the bank option. Okay, and interestingly, they have more payment options like the Visa QR code. You can scan the QR code, I'm even just seeing this. They just added this recently. Okay, so you can do bank transfer. If you don't want to use the card, you can use bank transfer or use USSD. They will generate the USSD code for you. Let's see. USSD. You choose your bank for GT. So you see, you just click on USSD and you copy this number, copy to your phone, dial this number on your phone, and you'll be able to make the payment if you have a GT bank account. Okay. And after you have made the payment, you click I have completed the payment. If you are using QR code, they will generate a QR code, but it has to be Visa card. Okay. Scan this, scan this QR code. Scan QR code below in your EcoBank, First Bank, Fidelity, Access. Okay, these are the banks that you can use that have the QR code payment option. So once you do that and your payment is successful, you will get a link to download or to access the video that you have paid for. So this is all about how you can buy courses on Seller. Okay. So I will see you in my next video. I think bye bye and stay blessed.